The main problem with the question that we've been asked here, which is to solve an equation, yes, it is an equation, here is an equal sign, we're not just simplifying, we are solving, so we will get a value for x. I think the first thing to do is to get rid of these denominators. We've got a divide by 2 here and a divide by 3. The rule with any equation is whatever I do to one term, I have to do it to all the terms, or both sides. I would have to multiply by 2 to get rid of the denominator here, but I would still be stuck with this denominator of 3 here. Then I'd have to multiply through by 3. So I think the easiest thing to do would be to multiply through by 6, then cancel, and then everything would be on the top line. We would get rid of these denominators. So I can just put a 6 in front of the x plus 3. Remember to pop a bracket in. It makes the fact that x plus 3 is trapped on this divide by 2 line. And do the same to this term. And I'm just going to say 6 times 3 on that side. So there's my common 6 all the way through. Now let's do some cancelling. 2 will go into that 6 3 times. And 3 will go into that 6 2 times. So I've got rid of both of my denominator problems. Everything on the next line that I'm going to write is going to be on the same line. We've got 3, x plus 3. Take away 2 of x minus 2. And we might as well multiply this up. 6 times 3, 18. Now we've got to multiply these brackets out. So remember that the 3 attacks the x and attacks the other 3, and the 2 has the power to multiply with the x and multiply with the 2 as we take a bracket apart. 3 times the x, 3x. 3 times 3 plus 9. Now we've got negative 2 times the x. So this is negative 2x. And we've got negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4, and that equals 18. Now these two guys here will simplify together, leave simply x. And the numbers, well, we really want the numbers pushed onto this side, so the 9's got to move and the 4's got to move. So x is equal to 18. Take away 9 from both sides, leaving nothing on this side, but the negative 9 appears over here. Take away 4 from both sides, and we get that string of numbers there. So all we've got to do is now push those numbers together, and we'll get an answer. X is equal to 18 minus 9 is 9. Take away another 4. X is equal to 5. And that is your answer.